Will Oris be heading all the way back upwards of the 20-cent levels and maybe even test the 50-cent levels this week? Or is this a ticker which is far too gone and should cut your losses from? What's up, trading friends? Today, we're discussing ORIS from 3 different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be discussing the catalyst that has led to this ticker being up over a whopping 50%, even though it did give back about 18% of those gains in the after hour markets, right? And the ticker right now is down approximately like 30%, so it ends up being up 30%ish, right? We're going to analyze why is it up in order for us to anticipate whether or not there's any longevity to this move and whether or not there's actually a move that can, be backed by any data or the news at least, right? Or is it just a volume pump, right? Then we're going to be doing some stock analysis, going over the what, then the chart, where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's start. So why is this ticker up today? No reason. That's right, no reason, absolutely no reason. So breaking news is bad, right? There's no need, there's no news. It's not that the news is bad, it's there's just no news, right? And we'll talk about exactly why it's running, okay? I'll explain to you guys why. Now, the next thing is going to be volatility of the ticker. So sub $5 million market cap, extremely volatile. Now, volatility is not just all sunshine and rainbows, it's a double-edged sword, because just as fast as things can go up, just as fast as things can come down, right? And that's what really volatility signifies, okay? Now, the next thing which we want to talk about is going to be none other than institutional ownership. So 0.1% institutional ownership, absolutely horrible. Now let's talk about the company's financials. So the company's financials are actually in good holdings. The company brings in approximately 800K every single quarter. So their finances are better when it comes to cash position. The cash position is great. Let's talk about likelihood of diluting. So historically, they haven't diluted much. Their overhead supply right now is pretty big, and the cash in, like we said, their cash in is pretty good. However, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This is all, I'm sorry for even wasting your time. Okay? I'm sorry. I should have just started my video by saying, hey, everyone, ORIS is a Chinese ticker. It's a pump and dump. That's what it is. Okay? It's a pump and dump. That's what it is. Now, relax. It doesn't mean it's dead and you should cut your losses from. The thing is, you got to understand that it will pump again. So let's say you bought it like 28 cents or 18 cents or something like that. It's okay, because it will actually get back to those levels again eventually. If you look at the historical chart of the ticker, right? Let's go on the 4-hour. Pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump. Now, unfortunately, after every pump, we do have these massive legs down of dumping. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. But I wouldn't be surprised if it does test 20 cents again in the near future, just off of another random pump. Now, what you don't want to be doing with these Chinese stickers is you don't want to buy them when they're green. You don't want to buy them when they're green, please, because you are literally just getting dumped on. That's all that's happening, all right? Now, remember, losing is part of trading, but for me, it being a Chinese sticker is an absolute no-go, okay? I'm saying, again, remember, some people trade Chinese stocks and they make money. I don't. I'm very conservative when it comes to what I trade. When it comes to what I trade, I don't trade bad stocks. I mean, do I day trade them? Yes, maybe, right? But that's it. In and out, quick. Especially not Chinese stickers, right? That's why I have an 82% win rate. Now, 82% win rate doesn't mean I'm perfect. Mind you, this is 500 trades later. Do you know what your favorite mentor does? This is what your favorite mentor does. Cherry pick a month and say, oh, and the 93% win rate. No, that's not how I move. I'm showing you guys my whole trading. 500 trades later, 82% win rate. So anyways, and if you guys, so I could be wrong again. But that means 1 out of 5 times I'm wrong. So this time I could be wrong. Okay? Don't take my word. Please do your own research. Now listen, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, check out our Discord. Okay? Right now, the next 10 members that join, they get access to it for a 50% sale. That's right. 50% sale next 10 members. And look, you're right to be, skeptical, right? When it comes to Discords and alerts and everything like that, right? I get it, right? In this space especially, like there's a lot of shady shit going on. That's why we're one of the only Discords that offers a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. That's right. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Wilson says, hi, Sam, I think 7 G's in 7 days. We've been crushing it. We have over 400 members coming back month after month. Why? Because people are making money, man. People are making money. That's it. Okay? 50%. Thank you for teaching me a thing or two about a thing or two. Proof in the pudding. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Back to that. Literally new member. $800. Hands down the best Discord group. I appreciate you, brother. We've been crushing it, man. We've been crushing it day in, day out. So give it a shot. Give it a shot. Sean is insane. Shout out Sean. He's one of the mentors in our community. 160% the past month. We've been kicking ass, guys, right? So what I would suggest is try the 7-day free trial, see if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, leave and don't come back. That's what I would do, okay? It's really commonsensical. 7-day free trial to low subscriber, 22 G's in a single day. I mean, can't make this stuff up, man. Can't make this stuff up. Anyways, I look forward to meeting you guys in Top Trade Academy, at least the serious traders. And everyone else, I wish you guys the best of luck, man. I wish you guys the best of luck in the wild, wild west, okay? Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. Your boy Sam from Top Trade Academy.